little handsome. This is the kitten. Well, we've got 2 cats actually that we've been looking after. Oh, you're so, look how handsome. Wow, I love you. I'm gonna miss you so much. I'm gonna miss you. Looks like he hates us. Okay, so I'm biting the bullet and I'm gonna do my first ever vlog. I've been putting it off for so long, don't know why. I think it's because I'm a little bit embarrassed to like bring my camera out in public and stuff, but then I just think, who really cares? I Snapchat, well not Snapchat, I use Instagram story all day, every day anyway. So I just think, why not just put it in a vlog and give it a go. So, today's plan, we're gonna go to Ikea with Ryan and Ben. I'm gonna find some fairy lights. Just whatever else we can pick up. I'm excited. No one but you. Please love me true. And I love you. And my baby. Hey.
Oh hey. Fancy singing you here.
Ryan plays me songs while I do my makeup.
Oh, that's a sick picture of me. It's me on the booth and digital. Look at that, guys.
Yeah, another reason why I wanted to do a vlog is because I don't want this channel to be like mad professional. Like someone like commented on me someone commented on me agony aunt video saying it looks like you've done the lighting with a lamp. Of course I did the lighting with a lamp. I don't have a ring light or anything, and like those are the channels that I like to watch, are the ones that are like kind of like the old YouTube, like, just, do you know what I mean, just people like pissing about, and just where it's actually like real raw footage, as opposed to like me sat with a generic pair of lights behind us and a studio light. I don't know. I mean, if that's the style of videos that is like better, please let us know, because I'll be interested to know what people prefer. But from most of people, what are you doing?
Making a song.
Yeah, like the channels that I like to watch the most are the ones where it's just like actual, just like real life, like hardly cut, do you know what I mean? But correct us if I'm wrong, let us know what you think. I don't know if you've seen on Twitter, but the other day, like Ryan realised, because he makes songs, he realised that you can record and like add it to the song. So I was like, will you record me? And the only thing I could think to say was beep beep lettuce. But listen to the banger, right? Of me talking. I didn't know when the lettuce was.
It's your song. How are we going to do this live, Sarah?
Oh, this is real sad. Felix, you're not speaking to us. Oh, it's time to say goodbye.
I love you. Be good. Don't beat up your sister.
Don't piss on the floor again.
Definitely don't piss on the floor again.
Just behave yourself, but we'll always be your second parent, won't we?
I'll come and visit, I promise.
I love you. Do you love me? You look like a little loaf of bread. He recoiled in disgust. Love me.
Boop boop.
Boop boop. Beep beep. Lettuce. Goodbye for bye. Well, not forever, just for a few weeks. Why you hate me? What does the back of your jacket say? More than a mouthful. Excellent. We're matching. It's your twin. Built like a receipt.
Like a bus ticket.
What are you thinking about, little man? Squad.
Squad go.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Are you getting them?
10 LED disco ball string lights. Is water wet?
We're twins. Is that how you feel about me?
Always.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Right, you know the person that commented on my video saying it looks like it's filmed with a lamp? That's what I need. Ring lighting. Ryan. Ryan. What you on about? You didn't even laugh at my joke.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Look, there's your mates. You know a princess. How many days? How many? I want answers. Don't we look like a pair of slam poets?
Sarah, off your pop.
Sarah, I like them. You look so cozy. You treating me too?
Face mask.
Which kind?
The snail.
Oh my god, remember them?
It's like me and you.
Like us. Apart from I'm not blonde and she's in better shape than me. I thought I might find you here. Whoa, they're sick. Is that?
It was meant to be a little bit awkward.
Oh my god, Mary Kate Olsen, can I get your autograph? You know the little boys in school that used to wear shirts with flames on
Oakleys.
and run round the school disco and slide on their knees. Oh god. Yeah. We actually just picked sunglasses off opposite sides of the rack, turn round. 95% chance of stealing your bitcoins. Wasn't even planned.
Yo fam, do you want to buy some balloons?
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang.
Shout out Shot Text London.
I can't get it off.
I didn't know you sponsored the range. Get
I actually can't get it off.
Come here. Put the sunglasses down. Armies up for Jesus.
Oh.
Oh my god, Anna Wintour! Can I get your autograph?
Prick.
Everyone knows I'm obsessed with the noughties aesthetic, and like, can you imagine Kim K circa 2002 just after cleaning Paris Hilton's wardrobe? Hang on. Read that out, please.
Eye bone.
Questionable. Have you seen the picture? It's an actual cock.
It's a bone, babe.
That is no that well. Initially I wanted to get this for Alfie, but I've just realised, like, when you actually look at the logistics of it, it's meant to be main. It's really tiny and there's like no like give. Like my cat's not gonna put that on his head. So I've opted instead for this wavy gom. Will do a try on haul featuring Alfie Goodhart.
Nice work that chair for you. No, mate, you missed this one.
Man, no, I didn't.
You mad.
Yeah. Are we in Hawaii?
Then you guys So on the latest EP, we've got a couple of tracks by Ben, tracks by me, and then a collab.
And just a fusion of, you know, like new jazz with
folk,
and disco,
glam folk, I think is the
orchestral sort of influences in
Balearic.
Yeah.
Balearic.
You literally look like you're about to drop the firest album of 2018.
Yeah.
Can't hear you over that chair.
Just to turn it down. Just sending some invoices, don't worry.
That's where the shit gets real.
Oh,
the knick-knacks. When someone says your lighting's not sufficient on your videos, not that I'm bitter, but whoa, that actually goes off. Hi, I'm Zoella, and today we'll be doing a... Oh my god, Mary Berry, can I have your autograph?
What are you doing, Moscow? Just getting baked.
Oh, I've got a guest, Nigella Lawson.
Get the egg whites nice and fluffy for the souffle.
That was kind of whiskey business.
Questionable, to say the least.
Put that down. You didn't even know what one looked like until you met me. No, but for real though, what are they for?
Cakes.
Cakes? It's a strange cake, if I do say so myself. Oh.
They're sick. Don't mind me.
Oh, we look so cozy.
We're having a spa. Shall I water in the shop license? Bottled it already.
I'm gonna piss myself.
Oh shit, the lasagna's gonna burn. We have lost a member of our party.
I imagine we'll find him by the knitted quilts.
The soft furnishings and scented candle department.
Where is he? I've got you, Ben. I saw him sat in that chair. I can tell by the
Yeah,
gigs
it is.
already.
It actually is.
I tell by them kicks.
Trying to figure out which part did you come out of.
This is the stereotypical room of someone who listens to Morrissey in their spare time. AKA you.
Guilty.
Review?
Need that best like.
Knee conk. Why you can't do that? Thoughts. Let me try. Flat as a fall.
Yeah, it's just still, that's why. You fucking heard.
I did fucking that, but you don't. Did you hear the music in the background as well?
Dude. When you've got social anxiety though, this is a must. Can you guess where he is?
Contactless love, yeah? Safe.
No, only nice things, please. Family appropriate. That is not family appropriate. Right. When you order it online versus when it arrives.
It's, you put the sleeves on and you dress as a robot.
What did he come as? A robot, bro.
Look.
Oh, hang on, hang on. So who's only buying the hat? What's the market here?
Unstable.
Like our Tory overlords.
Probably not.
Fancy a spoon?
Oh my god, I actually just lost my phone and left it by the...
Hola. Hiya. Fancy seeing you, yeah?
The panic. That moment of panic when you lose your phone. It's unbelievable.
For you.
I've just got in the house. I'm just about to get ready for bed. I'm just whispering because my mum and dad are in bed. I'm back at my house now. I've been staying at my auntie's and looking after her cat, obviously, as you've seen. So yeah, I've had an absolutely lovely day. I've just got back. Ryan was doing the lights tonight. Obviously normally DJs, but he was covering a shift doing the lights tonight. I always tittle along with these gigs, show a bit of support, you know, but time for us to hop in bed. I'm going to edit this. I've got people coming for the eyebrows tomorrow. So I thought I'd get this out of the way. Also, this just came in the mail. It's a vintage Playboy jacket. Like, you know when you see a bargain, I seen it on Etsy. I was really skint at the time and it was coming from really far away. So I knew it was going to be like weeks, months, like ages away. But I just thought, it's a good bloody bargain. So pleased I got it. Look how, like, that is peng. Like, very pleased. It was really cheap. I swear it was like 20 quid or something. So yeah, that was my first time vlogging. I really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed filming it. I mean, I'll let you know how the editing process goes because there's a lot of footage and I imagine it's going to take quite a while to edit, you know. But yeah, enjoyed it. I thought it's 2018. I've put off doing vlogging for so long. I just thought I'll just give it a go because so many of you say. And I always like Instagram story the full day anyway. So I just thought, why don't I just do it properly? Why don't I just do it properly? Bring back a bit of the old YouTube, do you know? So yeah, thanks for bearing with us. And my new upload day is going to be a Wednesday now. I'm going to do 1 weekly upload. 2 was fine in the past when I like wasn't doing anything else, but I've got a few other projects on the side. And I'm trying to throw myself back into like a bit of working, like actually physically working. So Wednesday is going to be my new day. And I'm just going to not give up on myself. Because do you know what? You can tell, like, for the past couple of months, like, I mean, I didn't give up on YouTube, I still uploaded, but my anxiety took over and I deleted those videos or I privated them, listed them, do you know. And you can just tell that as I gave up on myself and I felt defeated, I gave up on my YouTube. And I don't feel defeated anymore. I feel I've just got really good feelings about 2018. My mindset's so much clearer. I just feel a lot more better in myself. So I'm going to hide myself back into my YouTube and I'm not going to give a fuck what anyone thinks. So no more of the anxiety, no more of the deleting, no more of putting my energy into like the negative and making negative videos. Basically what I'm trying to say is I'm back. So I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to go to bed now. I love you.